In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Policy RLS in Supabase. Row Level Security, or RLS, lets you control which rows in a table a user can read or modify, all enforced by the database. It's a cornerstone of secure, multi-tenant applications, and Supabase provides a friendly interface to set it up without writing a lot of SQL. Start by heading to supabase.com and signing in. From the dashboard, open the project you want to secure. Think of the project as your workspace that contains your database, authentication, storage, and settings. Once you're in, we'll focus on the database area where your tables live. Next, open the table editor. This is the visual view of your database, showing schemas, tables, and columns. It's the easiest place to browse your data structure, confirm column names you'll reference in policies, and quickly move into policy configuration. Choose the specific table you want to protect. Pick the table that contains the rows you need to restrict by user, role, or any other rule. It helps to already know the key column that relates a row to a user, such as a user ID field. At the top of the table view, click Add RLS Policy. This opens the policy builder. You'll see options that map to PostgreSQL's policy system, but presented in a guided form. Remember, RLS policies determine which rows are visible or writable to certain commands and roles. Click Create Policy to start a new policy. This creates a draft you can configure before saving. Keeping your policy set up intentional and descriptive here will save confusion later. Type a clear policy name. Use something specific and readable like allow users to read their own rows. Good names make auditing and maintenance easier when you have multiple policies on a table. Confirm the table in the on clause. This ensures the policy attaches to the correct table context. The on clause is where Postgres binds the policy to the table you're working on. Select the policy behavior. Choose between permissive or restrictive behavior. Permissive policies allow access if any matching policy allows it, while restrictive policies require all applicable restrictive rules to allow access. Pick the behavior that matches your overall policy strategy. Select the policy command and target roles. Choose which operations this policy applies to, such as select, insert, update, or delete, and then specify the roles it targets like authenticated or anonymous. This makes the policy precise and prevents it from affecting unintended operations or users. Finally, click Save Policy. Review your summary and save. Your policy is now active on that table, ready to enforce your row-level rules as users interact with your data.